We are testing again two soldering stations equipped with the same JBC C245 cartridge. As usual, in the left is the original one, and it has a 120 watt measured output, while the one, the small pretty one on the right, actually it's a nice station. It's made in China. Nice, but it has a huge problem because it tends to inject in the load much bigger power than the producer JBC normally uses. For instance, in this case, the power going to the cartridge is 200 watt, which is anyway much over the 150 watts that JBC allows. Let's start. Okay, the result is 5.5 seconds for the Chinese station. I forgot to tell you that it is merchandised under either the name GVM or OS, or maybe there are others. It's the same station anyway. 5.5 for the Chinese one, and constantly 8.5 for the original one. Now, for anyone who's tempted by the Chinese station, it generally works fine as long as I can tell from the tests I've been putting on it, but that problem with the power makes it really not usable in the form that you receive it. You can very well use it, but only once you decrease that output power, and then in my opinion it behaves quite well. It's a very small unit and very capable in terms of power. Okay.